What's up, everybody? It is Selly, and you are looking at the Garmin GT thru-hull transducer. Now, what does that transducer do, guys? That gives us the ability to look out on either side of our boat so we can get a better picture of what's happening underneath the boat. So if we look right here, this is the side scan. You can see the shadowing right here from a structure. You can see we are looking 70 feet out on either side of the boat. So we're getting a really good picture of what is happening under our boat. Coming into an anchorage, coming into a mooring, you can see maybe there's a rock pile. That's why I don't want to go anchor there. So if you want to know more about this transducer, think about upgrading this into your Garmin system, hit us up, sales@navtronics.com, and be sure to give us a follow at Navtronics on YouTube. We always got a lot of cool info for you. Peace.